Next one is called glitch transition. So first import your footage to the timeline to make this transition. Then create an adjustment layer. Add this adjustment layer above on clips. Move the time indicator center on these two clips. Then cut 20 frames from the adjustment layer. Now move over to the Effects tab, and search for VR Chromatic Aberrations, apply it to the adjustment layer. Then go to the Effect Controls tab, and disable Auto VR properties inside the effect, and select the frame layout stereoscopic. Change the value to 0, for the red-green aberrations and fall of distance. And move the time indicator to the first frame. Now click on the stopwatch icon for red, green, blue aberrations and fall of distance. Then move the time indicator center of these two clips. Back to the effect controls and change fall of distance values to 100. Now randomly change the RGB value to make the RGB split effect. Now go to the last frame of the adjustment layer, and set the values to 0 like first frame. Let's see the preview. It looks very smooth glitch transition. Finally, add a nice glitch sound effect under the transition.